I'm Oscar. This is Alex. That's Jazine. We're from UMass.
I'm from
She's
Mongolia.
Yeah. So our original idea, not super in line with what's on the stage right now, was to outline wireframes with your phone using accelerometer data to like double integrate and get the position. The issue is that the Arduino is not really, it's not fast enough to write the proper amount of pixels to VGA.
Yeah, I think we actually ran into a lot of trouble with the Arduino not being fast enough.
Yeah.
Not only is it not fast enough to do any kind of signal processing or matrix computations for the kind of rotational linear algebra we'd be interested in, it's not really fast enough to output to VGA with any kind of speed. Should restart soon, I think. So what you see before you is simply the largest resolution we could get.
A single pixel. Yeah, so I spent the first part of the night writing up a bunch of like graphics transitions and like translations and rotations and stuff, and then we didn't use any of them because the Arduino wasn't fast enough.
All right, so I actually got pretty good at playing this worm game that we ended up creating. You guys are rooting for it, right? We're just gonna go until the end.
Can you stand off to the side?
Is there an end?
Yeah, the game does actually end.
Yeah, it gets smaller and smaller. The tunnel. So so we ended up just trying to create a sort of tunnel and getting our little green worm to get through it.
Yeah, so the tunnel is randomly generated. It just gets smaller as you continue playing.
It's getting faster.
I was just getting, okay, yeah.
And I think on an updated version of the code, we had a bit of like a score thing that just some pixels to mark the scores for each part. But yeah, that wasn't working. We were trying to put it up here, so we just went with the old version of the code. I don't know, we had a lot of difficulty just trying to get a lot of these pixels and displays in there, because what they said, we can't actually have a lot of frames go in, and this isn't just sort of a simulation that we're projecting. We actually had to connect to the VGA and get those pixels out there. But yeah, I think that there's a lot of like potential for it if we did go in to have like a stronger Arduino with the processing power, then kind of have cubes and kind of be able to generate movement for the cubes with, so I mean, yeah, it's maybe.